How's it going, guys? Mcfgotmillk here, and we're in a different kind of location. I'm in the back of my car because I want to show you something that's pretty amazing. So I was thoroughly cleaning my car out, fully detailing it, and I was trying new products. And this one product that I want to show you right now completely gets rid of stains, any kind of stains on your carpet floor. I tried using it for the top, like the vinyl, whatever you call it. It kind of didn't do good. It kind of ruined it a little bit. That's why I tried it in a little spot. But this helped on carpets in the car 100%. Two things: make sure you like and comment this video, and make sure you subscribe for more. And if this video seems kind of rushed, it's going to storm really bad in like about 5 seconds. So I really want to get the secret out to you guys before I go on vacation, and that's the reason why. So I'm sorry for any flubs. So what this product is right here. I'm not sponsored by them. It's turtle wax. It has a brush and everything. As you can see, I was using it. So, and again, the best thing about it is you could take it off so you can get to those hard to reach places. But you can also use this on your plastics in your car as well, but you gotta use a microfiber cloth. You don't want to use this on the vinyl and everything like that. And again, don't use it on leather because it's not what it's for. But carpets and anything else, holy crap. And I'm gonna show you an example right now. Okay, so very bad stain. Very, very bad. This was all the way out to here and all here. You can kind of still see some remnants of it because I didn't get thoroughly in there because I put this back on then used it. But yeah, you can see where it was at a teeny bit. But yeah, this is like a bad stain you think you'd never get out. Like there was other stains all here, and it is whiter than this side. Just, it works perfectly. I'm gonna use an example on it. I'm gonna try to clean that up because I didn't do it last time. Again, with what you wanna do with the turtle wax is if it's very stubborn stain, leave the foam on for a minute and then you scrub. But usually I haven't had to do that. I just have to spray and scrub. Since this is a hard to reach spot, I'm going to take off the brush as so I can use my hand. I'm gonna take it and then I'm gonna spray it. I'm gonna spray it on obviously the stains. So the foam is on the stains, and then what you wanna do is, again, kind of simple. Sorry, I'm using this with 2 hands. Take your brush, as obviously you can see, and just start going back and forth, up, down, side to side. As you can see, look at it. It's starting to kind of go away a little bit. Just keep on scrubbing. Look at it. See how it's literally going away before and after. Again, I'm spending like 2 seconds on this, but if you were to keep on thoroughly, look at it. It's going away. This thing works magic. And again, just a brush, a little bit of spray, and again, just keep on going until it's fully away. If you have to, obviously, put some more on it, like so. Again, let it sit for a minute if you really want to. But again, just brush it all away. Make sure it's all good. Back, forth, side to sides. Again, this is a stubborn spot, so I'm sorry about that. Look at it. It's literally a huge difference in what it can do. But again, like I said, I'm sorry about the flubs. I would show you a full before and after, but I don't want to get stuck in the storm. But you can obviously see from right here that it is 100% difference. Again, just scrub in all ways. Like again, it's beautiful. Quick review again. Turtle wax. I got this at like AutoZone for like $5, and it's completely full, and I used it on every inch of my car so far. But again, if this works good on your top of your car, then use it. But make sure you use it in a small spot, like in a very, very far corner where it's not going to be shown, because if it does not make it better, it's going to make it worse. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Sorry this is a little quick flubby video as always, but I want to get you guys content out. Again, I'm sorry for not posting as much as I can. I've just been so busy. Thank you guys for the support. We are now at 1,317 subscribers to this second, and that's crazy. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.